Apple Intelligence not downloading. If Apple Intelligence is not downloading or installing on your iPhone or iPad, then here is a step by step fix. First of all, confirm the compatibility. Apple Intelligence is only supported on iPhone 15, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, and the latest versions of the iPhone. But if you already have the compatibility for the Apple Intelligence but it is still not downloading, then first of all begin with tapping the Settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Then once inside the Settings app, all you have to do is simply tap on the General option available in there. Inside General, tap on the Software Update. Then once inside the software update, make sure that you are running the iOS 18 or developer beta 2 or later because Apple Intelligence requires the iOS 18 update. If you have not been updated to iOS 18, even if you are using the iPhone 15 or the latest version, then you cannot get Apple Intelligence. Then go back and scroll down, and there all you have to do is tap on the general option available again. Now, once inside the general, tap on the language and reason, then tap on the reason option available there. Then scroll down and make sure that you set it to English US or any other reason where the Apple Intelligence is available. You can simply set it up. And once you set that up, go back to the settings again and scroll down in general and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone option available at the bottom. Then tap on the reset, then tap on reset all settings. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.